So if you're new to my channel, we're doing the Cardi B mask, and here's everything you're going to need to get that hair flourishing. And this is how it's going to look once it's all blended. It's so smooth. Look at the consistency. Yeah, you definitely want to make sure it's very smooth, no lumps, because it's going to be really hard to get those lumps out once you start to wash your hair. So you definitely want to make sure there's no lumps. That's why I'm using a fork to show you guys how smooth it is and so you guys can see the texture. So I'm just mixing that up, just making sure there's nothing at the bottom, and there isn't, because I did make sure I did blend it extra good. So when you're doing your mask, make sure you have a light consistency that's not runny. You want it to be not thick, but you don't want it to be too runny, okay? Let's get into this 4C hair right here. And yes, I'm saying 4C because you see it. Thick, full. My niece has a lot of hair, and this will be her first time doing the Cardi B mask. So, she definitely needs it. Her hair is a little dry from what you can see. So, this will actually help out with those curls and kind of, bring those curls back to life. So I'm just having her do a 360 really quick so you guys can actually see the texture all throughout her hair from the front to the back. And I'm just showing you how it looks in a ponytail. She does have enough hair to go into a ponytail, so this is how it actually looks. And, it is very full and very thick. All right, so here I am just taking a small section of her hair. You don't want to do big sections because you want to make sure that the mask gets on each strand of hair evenly, so that way those curls can pop and it can define her, her natural texture. So, and it's not a process where you need to rush. You want to take your time and actually work the product through the hair the same way you would do a relaxer. So you just watch how I'm applying the product, and this is how you make sure each strand is saturated. Okay, so I have the first section saturated. I'm just making sure I just add a little bit more. Like, some people don't like to get their hands messy, so you can use gloves, you can use utensils to apply the mask to the hair. It's totally up to you. It's your preference on what you like. All right, so we just checking out those curls. Those curls are definitely popping. And, so right now you see me taking down the next section of hair. It's not nothing too big. I am basically monitoring my sizes because her hair is thick, and I want to make sure the product, it actually gets on each strand of hair like I mentioned earlier in the video. So here I am just making sure her hair is fully detangled, because you don't want to add this product to her hair, this mask, and it causes tangles or anything. So you want to make sure each section is properly detangled before you apply this mask as well, because it does kind of stiffen up a little bit. So, and you just work that product in like so, and you notice like the curls immediately starting to form once that product hits that scalp. Yes. All right, so after about 10 minutes of applying the product, this is what we have. You can see her hair is starting to pop. You can see those curls are being more defined. And what I'm doing right here is just working my hands through her hair, just making sure each strand is evenly coated, which it is. And you definitely want to still have that product not just on the strands of hair, but also make sure that it's on the scalp, just to ensure maximum hair growth. And then right here, she's turning around just so you can get a view of the back of her hair, and you see those curls are looking amazing. Yes. So yes, so just working the product, and then what you want to do is once you have everything in, you want to actually put a plastic bag or a plastic cap over your head and let it sit for about 20 minutes. And then you want to shampoo that out. And after you shampoo that out, you want to apply your favorite conditioner and wash your hair again. And after that, you want to make sure you moisturize your hair the way you normally would do. I like to do a leave-in cream or conditioner, oil and cream. So that's the LOC method. So that's what you want to do when you actually apply this mask. You want to follow up with your normal day-to-day cleaning routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.